To play Country Roads by John Denver, you need 4 chords: G, E minor, D, and C. Let's take a look how to play each of them. This is how you play the G chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Strum all strings. This is how you play the E minor chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Strum all strings. This is how you play the D chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Strum all strings except the 6th and 5th strings. This is how you play the C chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Strum all strings except the 6th string. Let's jump into the song. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is so there, older than trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Mindless lady, stranger to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning, now she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. I'm driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what song you want me to do next.